good, YouTube? You're back on S Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing some launch control testing on my 2018 Camaro. Like I said, guys, today we're going to be testing out the launch control on my 2018 Camaro 1SS 1LE. So we're going to try and do some launches as well as maybe some no-lift shifting. Just get some good sound clips in on that as well. Also, I did get the exhaust, the 4-inch exhaust done on the Trans Am, and it sounds killer. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to hear or get a little update on this. I did test drive, it sounds great. It's just kind of funny how slow this is compared to the Camaro, but it's still a pretty fun car to drive. So let's get to it. Let's get out on the road and do some launches. All right, guys, so to give you an overview of how to use the launch control, we'll do it here as the car warms up. But basically, you need to have the car in track mode. So we use the mode selector buttons. You can do it in sport or track, I should say. You just can't have it in tour. So as you can see, we are in track mode now. And then what you do is you double tap the traction control button, which will put it into competition mode. 1, 2. As you can see, it brought that up. Now you use the mode selector button and select, we're gonna just choose dry, which you can choose any one of them, but you can test it out, but we'll try dry. And then you just don't touch anything and it'll go away, and then you are in that mode. So let's get out to a good spot and test her out. So we're on the road, we're warming up the car a little bit. As before I do any spirited driving, I make sure that the car is up to temp, both coolant as well as you can use your gauges in the instrument cluster to check oil temperature, just to make sure that the car is up to temp and you're not trying to give her with a cold engine. So also, if you guys haven't yet picked yourself up a S Motorsports t-shirt, make sure to hit me up on Instagram before all the sizes are gone, as I still got some left. So let me know if you guys want one. Support the channel a little bit. And they look killer. Alright, so I think we're going to try and do a 0 to 60 too while we're at it. Might as well. So, ready? Stomp the gas. Better than that. Felt like a pretty good launch. I didn't use the no lift shifting on that one, which probably would help. can't say it, but when you come to a stop, you got to have it in first gear, wheels straight, stopped, and then you stomp the gas. Didn't like that. Okay, let's try that again. Disregard whatever face I was making, because I was probably like, 4.6 again though. I hit the reset button right as we were gonna get going. Man, it sounds good though. We're going to try and get a launch control from the outside of the car. All right, guys, that's it for today for this episode. It was just a fun one using launch control, a little bit of no lift shift, as well as testing out the 0 to 60. I'm kind of surprised both runs that I really got good were 4.6, which is kind of surprising. I think eventually I got to get a draggy and get some times with that as well. I'm not sure how accurate the one in the car is, but 4.6, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It seems like it's pulling really good. So, but if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I got a few more things coming from the Camaro, possibly some power adder, well, something that adds power, not forced induction. But then as well as some cosmetic upgrades in the future, which might be sitting over there already. I've had for a while, but just haven't gotten to it. You will be seeing more of the Trans Am as well, if there's anybody here on the channel for that. Now that I got the exhaust taken care of, next I got a whole slew of stuff I need to do to this car as well. Lowering, I got a big brake kit upgrade over there. So stay tuned for that, as well as that's gonna hopefully turn into more of a driver where I can drive that all over as well, because it's a pretty fun car and the exhaust on it sounds killer. So again, let me know in the comments if you want to see an update of just the exhaust, what I did there. It turned out really good. So until next time, guys, thanks for joining in, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.